Today we will be doing a next generation affiliate version 4 review and demo walkthrough. Next generation affiliate version 4 is for anyone who wants to become an affiliate marketer, or has already tried and failed to achieve success with affiliate marketing. Use next generation affiliate version 4 to build your own proven to work affiliate system in 3 easy steps. Inside next generation affiliate version 4, you get 15 modules covering everything you need to know to create a successful proven to work affiliate marketing system. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you are notified when we upload new videos. Right, let's get started with the next generation affiliate version 4 demo review and walkthrough.
Everything around building the core modules can be found under this core modules heading. You'll see there's 15 modules from an introduction, affiliate marketing philosophy, types of affiliate marketing, with how to choose a niche, how to choose a network, then a full description of the lead system itself and how it works, and then an understanding of funnels. So you need to understand funnels. This is what causes you to generate more money for more profit for the same amount of leads and people, and also build your leads. And of course, content that drives traffic. Most important that the content you use is stuff that drives traffic. Lots of people write stuff and put stuff together, put videos on, etc. that don't really pull traffic in, but that's what you want, and we'll show you exactly how to do that. Of course, we've got the technical build of the actual affiliate system itself. Now, don't be scared when I say technical. By technical, it just means it's the stuff you have to do to get it working. And believe me, it's very simple. In fact, if we just take a look at this, it's install a blog. It's not only a written description of exactly what you need to do, we've got screenshots of how to do it, exactly what it looks like when you start to do it, and exactly what steps to do as you move along to complete the process. So anybody can do this. You don't have to be technically minded, you don't have to be skilled or a technician. It's all described very, very simply for you, and all you do is just follow the guides that we show you. Okay, we also need to create compelling content to show exactly how to do that. And we have never-ending content. That means you'll never, ever, ever not know what content to put up, be short of content to put up, or not be able to find content to put up. We'll show you how to do that forever. Email marketing, of course, this is the kind of automation part of the system, or part of the automated part of the system that will keep the system going. It means you can email out to your subscribers or new products and extra products. It just makes more and more money and automates your system and makes it run smoothly and makes as much profit as possible. Of course, we have to cover compliance, not everybody's favorite subject, but of course there are certain laws you need to abide by depending on what country you're in, and there's certain general internet rules and things that you need to do and make sure you don't fall foul of, and of course the terms and conditions of the various companies that you work with, such as Google and Facebook, etc. So you don't fall foul of those and end up kind of ruining your system or ruining yourself. And then of course we go into driving free traffic. Most people's favorite when they start, of course, an area to get free traffic, and we show you how to do that. And of course we cover free tools and resources, and there's an awful lot of those that we list because we want to try and keep the cost of doing this down as much as possible, certainly when you start off. So you'll see things like text editors, word processors, graphic editors, screen captures. I mean, the list is just endless of what we've got for you, and full descriptions of all these things, etc. Okay, that's the main core modules, and that's the building of the actual next generation affiliate system itself. But as I said, this is the extreme traffic edition, and for that I need to show you the next part. Everything that you can find extra is under extras. Seems logical, right? But we've got the extreme traffic, as you can see, but more than that, this whole section is about multiplying your possibilities. It's about making you more successful and more likely to become successful, to make life easier for you to get the job done. Now, of course, we want to build these core modules. You want to get your system up and running so it's all automated and going great. But you've got to get from today, where you have nothing, to another day in the future where you have everything. And to do that will be different for different people. Some people will take a few days, some will take a few weeks, some will take a few months. All these things, can be helped. People are different. Some people have different home lives, different jobs, different amount of work they do. Their mindsets can be different. Everything can be different. Every individual is a different person, and they work in different ways and in different manners. So what we're trying to do is to make everything as easy as possible for you to become that successful affiliate marketer, and actually make some money. So with that in mind, in the extra sections, as I said, we have, first of all, productivity and mindset. This is an area that a lot of people will skip, but it's really, really important, and it's all here for you. So we can cover things like videos for time management, how to maximize your productivity, setting goals, and working from home, where obviously most people will be doing this, and a winning mindset formula. In other words, let's start off with the right idea before we even begin, and then you can focus on your goals. These are all different PDF documents that enable you to read through and teach you how to do this, and overcoming all obstacles. So there's a lot in there to actually help you get started and help you manage your workload, etc. Now we've got some legacy traffic guides. They're kind of left in. We left those in because that was the basic traffic guide that came with a version 3, and it is still quite useful today. So we've left it in there, especially for those people who have upgraded and want to still look at the old traffic handbooks. Now, in extreme traffic, we cover just about everything you could think of. So, of course, we cover SEO, that's on-page SEO. Then we cover what I call irresistible headlines, which is a kind of not SEO directly, but it means that more people will be looking at your search results, etc., and going to your pages. So it's all part of the same vein. And of course, the amount of a number of tools that you can use to help you along the way. We cover things like guest blogging, generic paid ads, it's like banner ads, etc. And of course, we cover Facebook quite intensely. So there's how to get free Facebook traffic, there's messenger marketing, Facebook groups, how to make those work for you, bring in more traffic, basically to generate more subscribers and build audiences. All helps boost your business. And we've got the Facebook ads, obviously, which are very, very popular, and we've got a full training series on that. This is like a beginner's guide, the Facebook ads one, and then you've got a more advanced guide, again, once you've grasped the first bit. Now, we also cover things like LinkedIn, so we've got organic marketing, in other words, free marketing if you like, and again, ads. Most of these sites also do ads as well as free marketing. We've got YouTube, we cover TikTok, Quora, Instagram. Of course, we've got the compulsory Google ads, Bing ads, and of course, specifically how to buy banner ads. We cover email marketing because that is something that is core to this system. It's what really makes this system very, very profitable, because you can email out to your subscribers multiple times. And so although we show you how to do that in the core modules, this is also some generic training around email marketing in general, really helps you get on top of it. And there's also things like online directories, giveaways and competitions, and social activity. So all this helps bring traffic. That's why we call it the extreme traffic, because it's probably one of the most intense sets of traffic training guides that you'll actually get in one product. Now, it doesn't mean you have to learn all these. Nobody's going to learn every single one of these and implement every single one of these. That would just take ages for everybody. So the idea is that you have the option to choose what you want to do, what find comfortable, what works for you, and then you can get expertise in that particular traffic generation method. Extreme Traffic 2, also designed to bring in traffic, but in a slightly different way. Rather than direct traffic, this is more about how to make things easier for yourself to bring that traffic in, if you like. So we'll talk about repurposed content. So rather than use one piece of content, one article, one video, etc., as itself, how to repurpose those things into multiple medias and multiple formats, place them in different places, and how to use the same bit of content, if you like, to bring in much more traffic. Again, a responsive website. Your websites these days have to work across all medias, across phones, across tablets, across laptops, netbooks, and desktops. They have to work perfectly across everything, because otherwise, if people don't like what they see, if they're hard to use, if they don't work on their screens, they're going to be jumping out of your website and moving on to somewhere else. Now, the blog that I give you in this is completely and fully responsive, but of course you might want to build a new blog, you might other new content, you might advance in yourself more. So this really gets to the nitty-gritty of the whys and wherefores of what's that's needed. Community engagement, slightly different than what we looked at before, which we mentioned about social activity. Social activity is what it says, it's an activity on the social networks. Community engagement is the next step up, if you like. So it's one thing just to put a few posts on the Facebook and to tweet out a few things and even respond and comment on stuff. But community engagement is a real philosophy that you need to grasp and get around, and this really explains how you can do that. And of course, outsourcing. At the end of the day, you know, when you've got your stuff all working and it's up and running, you know, do you really want to be working the rest of your life? If you want to turn this into a business, then of course you can move to outsourcing. You can get other people to create your content, get other people to create your online resources. And, you know, for those of you that it works for, that works great. You don't have to outsource initially, but if you've got the capital to do that and you can speed up your process, then so much the better. But it's all in there for you to do. And of course we talk about branding. Branding is very important. You need to brand yourself or your business, or whichever you want to look at it, and that's all explained in the branding. You need to understand that. Keep everything in the same vein. So no matter what anybody comes across, whether it's your Facebook page, whether it's a product you're selling, whether it's an email you sent, they'll know it's from you. They know who you are and what you're about. That's all about branding. A couple of odd bits in there. We've got a free screen recorder because we know people find it difficult to create videos, or some people find it difficult to create videos. So we're giving you a very, very simple tool to do some screen recorder videoing, and with instructions on how to do that within the core modules. We've got fast action bonuses. So if you're one of the early people to purchase this, on the sales page there would have been some fast action bonuses, and they'll be included in this section.
Thank you for watching this next generation affiliate version 4 review and demo walkthrough video. To find out more about next generation affiliate version 4, click the link in the description below.